I know, you're probably wondering, am I really making a video about how to boil an egg? Well, yes, I am. Now, some of y'all don't know how to boil an egg without having little craters inside of your egg. You end up damaging half the egg. So I'm going to show you how to properly boil an egg. So we're putting all of our eggs into the pot. Please be sure not to throw your eggs in the pot. Gently sit them in your pot of water so they don't crack. Also, season the water generously with salt. This is what keeps them from sticking to the shell when you get ready to peel them. Now that our eggs have finished boiling, we're going to soak them in some tap water and some ice. Let them sit for about 5 minutes to cool down, then you can peel them. Now watch how this egg peels perfectly. It did not stick to the shell. Look, clean egg. We'll do it again, just in case you don't believe me. Another perfect egg. This egg here is ugly because she threw it in the pot and cracked the shell, but it still peels perfectly. Just look at it. Ta-da! All my eggs turned out perfect. Thank me later.